Hello guys, this is Roland Tips. Today I show you how to make a stacked bar chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and category and amount. Click on car and press shift and select this and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and click on insert and this left corner and scroll down and click on chart and right corner chart type. Click on PA chart and scroll down and search bar. Okay, and search stacked bar and bar chart and stacked bar chart. Click on this and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.